In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your Samsung TV is connected to a Bluetooth speaker, but there's no sound coming out. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart both devices. Turn off both your Samsung TV and Bluetooth speaker. Unplug them from power for 30 seconds. Plug them back in and turn them on, then reconnect via Bluetooth. This simple reset often fixes connection glitches. Method 2. Check TV audio output settings. Go to your Samsung TV settings. Navigate to Sound Output, select your Bluetooth speaker. Make sure the selected output is not TV speaker or HDMI. If it's already set to Bluetooth, try switching to TV speaker, then back to the Bluetooth speaker to refresh the connection. Method 3. Repair the Bluetooth device. Go to Settings, Sound Output, Bluetooth speaker list. Select your speaker and choose Unpair or Forget. Then reconnect it by pairing it again. Method 4. Check volume on both devices. Make sure the TV volume is up. Increase the volume on your Bluetooth speaker. Some start with volume muted or low after pairing. Method 5. Update Samsung TV software. Go to Settings, Support Software Update. Update now. Outdated software may cause Bluetooth audio issues. Method 6. Try a different Bluetooth device. Connect a different Bluetooth speaker or headphones to your Samsung TV. If the new device works, the issue is likely with your original speaker. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Samsung TV tips and fixes.